Hi everyone, welcome to the IoT Hero Series. We are in Germany at the Platform Industrie 4.0 and IIC event, and with me I have
Nils Herzberg, and I'm leading the IoT go-to-market strategy for SAP.
So Nils, the IoT strategy, first of all, how long has SAP been involved in IoT? Because we don't hear a lot about it typically.
I think SAP has been there for a long time, but even before we knew how to spell IoT, we were already there. I personally have been involved in these discussions for the last 3-4 years. They originated from, on the one hand, the IoT discussions in the US, but on the other hand, the Industry 4.0 discussions that emerged here in Germany under the leadership of our former CEO, Henning Kagermann.
Okay, so why does SAP think the Internet of Things is important?
I think that it is important because it is important to our customers. What our customers are hoping for from IoT-enabled scenarios is that they get more precision in terms of their ability to run their business effectively, efficiently. So new business models that depend on data from things. Better understanding of a customer situation based on IoT scenarios. It is that we believe that the digital core needs more and better data to enable enterprises to run very efficiently and effectively. Customers do want to optimize and automate business processes, and I think personally that through Internet of Things scenarios we can do a part of that.
Okay. You say, SAP has been involved in the Internet of Things for a while. Where are we on the kind of hype curve with Internet of Things? Is it dying off? Is it at the bottom of the curve? Is it about to explode? Whereabouts are we, do you think?
Well, I think if you look at Gartner, they put it at the top of the hype curve at this very moment. I think if you see events like the one that we are attending, it is pretty obvious that a lot of people have a lot of interest. But if you look at the kind of discussions that are having, there's still some uncertainty in trying to figure out how all of this is going to work together, fit together, how the relationships of powers are changing, trust models, standards. That's all being discussed here, which just shows you, yes, it is at top of mind for a lot of people, but still there are quite a few open questions.
So we have a long runway to go yet.
Yes, and I think irrespective of whether it is a hype or not, the underlying ideas are very solid, and we've been speaking about those for a very long time. The point here is twofold. Many of them are coming to reality because sensors are becoming affordable, connectivity is becoming affordable, computing is becoming affordable. And then what you see is companies like SAP who believe in standard and standard software are entering the market. It means that I think that this topic is at an inflection point. You do not have to hand carve your solutions for IoT. You can actually take building components from standard software providers and use those to enable your IoT scenarios. Basically, there is this belief that IoT-enabled scenarios are going to become affordable for the broad masses, while historically it has been a rather expensive proposition for a selected few, and mostly where the government mandated or law mandated that you had to do these kind of things, it was done, but forever it was optional, it was not necessarily done.
Okay. Is IoT strategic for SAP?
Absolutely. We wouldn't be engaging in something like these events that you and I are standing at if we didn't care about this topic. Again, we care about it because our customer care about it. We think, and the market research is confirming this, that there's going to be huge growth in the number of devices coming to this world, and I think those devices are sending information that enterprises and our customers want to use for a better understanding of what is going on in reality. And when our customers care, we care.
Okay. And for our customers, what do you think is the biggest opportunities that will be afforded to them from this?
I think it is twofold. On the one hand, it is enabling them to have a better potentially even a predictive understanding of situations or situations that are about to happen. In other words, they can take volatility, in other words, surprises out of their business. And the world is offering enough surprises. Enterprises do not need to generate their own. So how do you actually create a predictable business? I think that is the one opportunity that the customers actually have from all of this. The second one is the opportunity to get to that next generation of precision. I grew up in South Africa and without TV and without phone. And when my father wanted to order the service part from Europe, it took 6 weeks for that to happen. That was the speed of business at that time. The speed of business now is sub-second. Not only in controlling of machines, but in the ability and the necessity to respond to a customer action with a reaction, with an outcome. And I think for that you need devices to send data, you need the digital calls to respond in almost real time, because that is the speed of business. And I think IoT will enable customers, our customers, to respond at the speed of business, live, in other words.
Fantastic. Nils, that's been great. Thanks a million for talking to us today.
You're welcome.